Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send videos in Gmail. If you're using Gmail and you want to send video to anyone and using your Gmail app, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Gmail app here and your iPhone or your Android phone, and here you just have to tap on this compose option here to create a new Gmail. Now here you will have to add the contact or the person with which you want to share, and here you have to enter the subject, or you can also compose your email. But if you want to add or attach a video, you just have to tap on this paper clip option here and then select photos or the camera. If you want to create a video using your camera, so you can select camera, but I'm going to select the photos here. So here's the video I'm going to send. So just select the video, just tap the done option here, and the video will be attached. Now you just have to add the contact or the person with which you want to share, and once you have done, just tap on the send option and you're ready to send the message here. So in this way you can easily send videos in Gmail using on your iPhone or any Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.